What's going on, you guys? You got Mike here from Mike'sMoneyTips.com, coming at you today with a way to make passive income from ClickBank. I know I hadn't seen too many people show this method online. If you want to check it out, it's a completely free way to make passive income. Okay? What you do, number one, is go over to ClickBank. Go down here, find whatever niche you want. Let's say health and fitness this time. Alright. What you do, you find, of course, you sort by gravity. That way you get the best deal. And what I like to do is come over here to the side where it says recurring. Click it. That way I have money coming in every month from these offers. Here you got $38 for that offer, but the average rebill is only 55 cents. Here we go. This looks pretty good. Diabetes remedy. Yeah, sounds pretty good to me. Okay. So what you do, of course, you click promote and get your hop link. That's what you would do, and then you copy it and save it somewhere. I'm sure y'all know how to do this by now. So what you do then, you go to, let's see here, where is it? This one. Go over here to Reddit. I know everybody tells you how to do Reddit, right? I know. But what was that? Diabetes. Let's do it this way, be easier. Copy that. Paste it there, put the S on it, because I didn't get the S. Hit enter. Hold on a minute. Subreddit. No, we want to go home. What you'd want to do is paste it here in the home. We can do it that way. No, we can't. Paste it there, put an S on it. What you get these communities to come up. And what you do, you'd say join, join, join. And you got 39,000, 65,000. You got all these groups in here. That one's got 1.5 million. You got 21 million here. You've got all these right here. That's 10,000. Got all these different groups you can join. What you do then, you go to Google. Well, this ain't Google, but we're going to go to Google. And what you do, is diabetes, try weight loss. Oh, how do you spell weight? W-E-I-G-H-T. And then you go over here to images. Then you take something like this. And you right click it, say save image as. You download it, save. Then you go to the site. Make sure you go to the site and give these people credit. This is really important. Okay? What you do there is come up here, copy that, go back to Reddit, and like this right here, you go over here, and what you would do, let me show you right quick. Create a post. You'd put in something like do you hate exercising? I know that ain't right, but it should. Well, maybe it won't. Weight loss. Then down here in the text, you copy or paste the link that you got the picture from. Then you would take this right here. Actually, you may be able to just copy and drag it in there. I don't know. Let's see. I think you can. Yeah. Okay, see this right here. And then what you do down here, you say if so, give me a shout for the ultimate no, that ain't right, but hold on, we get it right. Ultimate weight loss in a bottle. And then you put your email address. Okay, that's what you would do. What you do, you set up a Gmail account. Okay, so you never spammed your link in Reddit, so you're good. You come over here to settings and you make sure it's a brand new account, that way you can do whatever. You come down here where it says vacation responder on or off, or in the other parts of the world I think it says holiday, but anyway, you get to, and what you do is, like, here is your link to actually, here's your weight loss in a bottle. And then what you do, you go back to like ClickBank, pull up the offer, right? That way you can get information to put in the email. That way, you know, this is for people especially like me or you that don't want to set up an autoresponder for this. This will be there for a long time. And unfortunately, this is just a video, but that's okay. It's fine. It still worked. But yeah, that's exactly what you would do. What is this? Everyday help. Oh, yeah, this is where you got the picture from. Yeah, you want to make sure that you do this. That way, if they want to come over and have a read of this, they can. And here, so like I said, you would put in whatever you want to here. Make sure that it's that it has your link in it. If you want to use Bitly or whatever, you would need to watch this video just to make sure about what it is. Matter of fact, it appears the other one was here's the text version. Here we go. We might be able to get something here. You know, at least then you can copy and paste into, you know, like terrified barely, blood pressure was normal, hers was yada yada yada. So you can get text here that you can put into your email. That way it kind of pre-sells it before they ever see the page. And, you know, it's a great thing. But if y'all need any, if y'all really want to start an online business, y'all need to check out the first link in my description, because it's a beautiful 15-day course. It'll teach you everything that you need to know, and there's nothing like it. But this will be on Reddit forever, and you're liable to make sales 6, 7, 10 years down the road from this one post. I want to say thanks for y'all watching today, and come back tomorrow. I'll have something else new for you. Appreciate it.